So the final song of tonight, getting to the end of the show. Like I told Wookie, who was asking me no African time? Yes, no African time. So we're keeping to time. And this last song, okay, Gladys, that was you. Is what I can I call a song? Yeah, hits. Yeah, hit song. Me too, I have hit song. I have hit song. So this is on my debut album, Organically Sing. I have a few at the back. If you're interested, let me know. Just $10. Ile. For some reason, everybody loves the song. Yes, it's called Ile, and Ile means home in Yoruba. And the message of the song is home is where the heart is. You know, after you've labored and worked so hard, where there's peace, where there's love, that's where you go back to. You know, it has a double meaning because I kind of like incorporated like going back to home, as in home Africa, home Nigeria. Like after you've been away for a long time, you go back home. Hopefully, I don't know. Yeah, but yeah. So home is where the heart is. So it means I'm singing Ilela Bosimi Yoko, and Ilela Bosimi Yoko means home is where you go to after you've labored. Literal meaning you've farmed, you've labored on the farm. You go back home. So yes, that's the message of the song. Ile, once again, I want to thank everyone for coming tonight. I really appreciate you, and I hope you enjoy the song. If you want to dance and, you know, sing with me, I appreciate that. It's my birthday. Yeah. So this is Ile. One more time. Give thanks and praise to the Lord. Give thanks, praise, and we will be alright. Give a hand to the band tonight. They've been wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful brothers of mine. Thank you for that on keys. Here we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Give it up for Sankey. Yeah, yeah. On bass, double A on bass, Andy Anderson. Give it up for Andy Anderson. Come on, double A. And on backup vocals, I have my lovely sister here, TT. Sing it left for them, sing it left for them. Give it up for Tay-Tay. Yeah. Exotic today. My first mini concert. I hope you all enjoyed yourselves. And this is the beginning of many more to come. Thank you all. God bless you. Have a safe trip home. With you before you go. Simeon, is your camera ready? I want to take pictures with my friends. Thank you all for coming once again.